Welcome back to Ma Wheels News, your ultimate destination. For the latest and greatest in the automotive and motorcycle world, today we are diving deep into a legendary nameplate that is making a highly anticipated, massive comeback. We are talking about the iconic Suzuki Savage LS650 and the buzz surrounding its complete reinvention. For the 2026 model year is absolutely electrifying. For decades, the original Savage, which many of you also know as the Boulevard S40, was the undisputed king of entry-level cruisers. It was celebrated for its raw simplicity. It's that unmistakable big single-cylinder thrum, and a lightweight chassis that made it an absolute joy to ride. But for 2026, Suzuki is completely rewriting the rulebook, stepping away from the dated mechanics to deliver something that feels incredibly fresh, yet deeply nostalgic. The 2026 Suzuki Savage LS650 is not just a minor facelift or a bold new graphics package. It is a ground-up redesign engineered for the modern rider. Suzuki has recognized the massive surge in popularity for neo-retro motorcycles and is aiming directly at the heart of this booming segment. They are bringing back the soul of the classic Thumper, but wrapping it in cutting-edge technology and a stunningly aggressive aesthetic. Let us start with the visual impact. Because the 2026 Savage is an absolute head-turner, the design language seamlessly blends classic, bobber elements with a sleek minimalist, almost cyberpunk edge. The teardrop fuel tank remains a focal point, but it has been sculpted with sharper, more muscular lines that give the bike a much more commanding presence on the road. Gone is the old-school halogen headlight, replaced by a striking modern LED era, featuring a distinctive daytime running light signature. The entire lighting system, including the ultra-sleek, integrated tail lights and turn signals, embraces modern illumination technology. This not only dramatically improves nighttime visibility, but also elevates the entire premium feel of the motorcycle. Blacked-out components are heavily trending right now, and the new Savage leans into this aesthetic beautifully. Much of the traditional chrome has been swapped out for matte black and brushed alloy finishes, giving the bike a stealthy, custom-built vibe right off the showroom floor. The exposed frame and minimalist fenders highlight the mechanical beauty of the machine in a very industrial way. Now let us talk about the absolute heart of the Savage. The engine. Suzuki knows that the big, single-cylinder engine is the defining characteristic of this bike, so they have retained the beloved Thumper architecture for 2026. However, this is a completely modernized power plant, featuring advanced liquid cooling to meet strict global emission standards. While ensuring consistent performance on long rides, the displacement remains in the 650cc territory, but the internal components have been radically overhauled. Upgraded electronic fuel injection and a redesigned cylinder head mean the 2026 Savage delivers a significantly smoother and more responsive throttle experience. You still get that low-end stump-pulling torque, but it now climbs through the rev range with a refined urgency that the older models simply could not match. Paired with this revitalized engine is a brand new 6-speed transmission. Fans of the classic Savage will remember the old 5-speed gearbox, but this new addition provides a much-needed overdrive gear. This makes highway cruising effortlessly smooth and significantly reduces engine vibration at higher speeds, transforming the Savage into a genuinely capable weekend tour. In terms of technology, the leap from the old generation to the 2026 model is astronomical. The traditional analog speedometer has been replaced by a beautiful, full-color TFT dashboard. This crisp display provides all the essential riding metrics, including gear position, fuel range, and even Bluetooth connectivity for turn-by-turn navigation and media control right from your smartphone. Suzuki is also equipping the 2026 Savage with a state-of-the-art electronic suite. Ride-by-wire, throttle technology paves the way for selectable riding modes, allowing riders to switch between a relaxed cruising map and a more aggressive sport setting. It is a fantastic feature that makes the bike versatile enough for both novice riders and seasoned veterans looking for a bit of a thrill. Safety has seen a massive upgrade as well. Dual-channel ABS now comes as standard equipment, providing maximum stopping confidence in all weather conditions. Furthermore, there are strong rumors of a switchable traction control system, a rarity in this specific cruiser class, which would firmly position the new Savage as a class leader in rider safety and technological integration. The chassis and handling dynamics have been entirely reworked to match the increased performance. The old, somewhat flexible frame has been replaced by a rigid, lightweight tubular steel trellis frame. This dramatically improves cornering stability and gives the rider a much more connected, planted feel when carving through twisty back roads or navigating tight city streets. Suspension upgrades are equally impressive. Up front, the 2026 model features beefy upside-down forks, a massive departure from the standard telescopic forks of the past. In the rear, a modern monoshock setup, with adjustable preload replaces the old twin shocks. This combination promises a plush ride over city potholes, while keeping the bike tightly controlled during spirited riding. Braking performance has finally entered the modern era. The new Savage features a large floating disc up front, gripped by a potent 4-piston caliper, with a matching single disc in the rear. Gone is the antiquated rear drum brake. This setup ensures that the bike sheds speed, just as impressively as it accelerates, offering fantastic lever feel and feedback. Ergonomically, Suzuki has managed to preserve the low seat height. That made the original Savage so accessible, while massively improving overall comfort. The seat itself features higher density foam and a more supportive contour. The slightly forward-mounted foot pegs and mid-rise handlebars create a relaxed, upright riding triangle that minimizes fatigue on longer journeys. Market positioning for this completely new version is going to be incredibly aggressive. The middleweight cruiser segment is currently fiercely competitive, dominated by models like the Honda Rebel 500 and the Royal Enfield 650 twins. By offering a larger displacement single-cylinder with premium tech, Suzuki is carving out a highly unique, premium yet accessible niche. We anticipate the pricing to remain highly competitive, staying true to the Savage legacy of offering incredible value for the money. If Suzuki manages to keep the price tag attractive, while delivering this massive leap in technology, performance and style, the 2026 Savage LS650 is poised to become an absolute bestseller and a dominant force in the global motorcycle market. Now this is where we turn the conversation over to you, the A-Wheels community. We want to know exactly what you think about this radical transformation. Do you love the direction Suzuki is taking with the completely new 2026 Savage LS650? Does the blend of modern tech, neo-retro styling, and that classic big Thumper engine appeal to your riding style? And is this a bike you would actually buy? Or do you feel like modernizing the Savage takes away from the raw, old-school simplicity that made the original so incredibly special? Drop your thoughts, your preferences, and your honest opinions in the comments down below, because we love reading what you guys think. Your feedback drives our discussions here at A Wheels News, so thank you for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe for more updates, and we will catch you in the next ride. Would you like me to refine any specific part of this script, or add details about potential color options?